Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your USAA auto insurance policy safely and efficiently while also sharing some alternatives if you're thinking about canceling. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. First, before you cancel, consider ways to save on your USAA premium. Sometimes you don't need to cancel at all. For example, you can enroll in USAA Safe Pilot, which can save you 10% instantly and up to 30% if you maintain safe driving habits. Review your existing discounts to make sure you're getting all the savings you qualify for. Check your coverage and deductible. Adjusting these can lower your premium without losing protection. There are also other options if your situation has changed. Storing your car. If your vehicle is in storage, you could save up to 60%. Selling a vehicle. You can remove just that car from your policy. Moving to another state. USAA auto insurance is available in all 50 states, so you can update your policy instead of canceling, deploying, or moving overseas. Call USAA at 800-531-USAA to discuss coverage options. If you've compared rates and still decide to cancel, here's how. You must call USAA customer service directly at 800-531-USAA 8722. For TTY devices, dial 711. The representative will help you cancel your policy and answer any questions about refunds for premiums you've already paid. A few things to keep in mind. Canceling could mean losing discounts if you have other USAA policies, like property insurance. Make sure your new insurance is active before canceling to avoid a gap in coverage. If you just stop paying your USAA bill, your coverage could lapse, and that could lead to fines or legal issues. And that's it. Whether you're adjusting your policy or canceling completely, USAA makes the process straightforward as long as you know your options. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.